All right, y'all, let's get started. I got the vibes right, got the incense burning, everything. The vibes is definitely right now. So we're gonna get started. All right, guys, so this is my morning juice cleanser I'm about to get into. It's gonna be a how-to to show you guys how to make a quick cleansing juice in the morning to kind of get your body going, flush out the toxins for the day, and to get you started on your journey for the day. So this juice is heavily inspired by the book I discussed earlier called Foods That Heal by Dr. Bernard Jensen. There's a lot of recipes in there where you can make different juices for different reasons. We got headaches, stomachache, so forth. But this is a basic cleanse juice, mainly because a lot of the fruits, vegetables, and the herbs that are in this juice have a high nutritional content, and not only that, but they flush out a lot of toxins in your body. They're great for the gastrointestinal system to keep that digestive system going. You know what I mean? You got two brains. You got a brain up here, and you got a brain in your gut. So you definitely want the brain in your gut, you know what I mean, to be functioning just as high and just as good as the brain in your mind, all right? So let's get started, guys. All right, so this is what's called the food pusher. This is usually going to be associated with any juice you get. I have the Hamilton Beach Juicer. Now, I was gifted this for the holidays last year. Top of this year, January, December, I was gifted top of January with this juicer. I wanted the juicer for the holidays, and I was gifted that, so it was great. So this is the food pusher. This is definitely what you're going to be using every time you put any concoction of fruits or vegetables or herbs inside your juicer. You're going to need to push them down, all right? So you always want that. Your juicer, you know what I mean? You got, this is kind of where all the excess pulp and everything that you don't need goes in here. All right, guys, so how I start off, guys, I usually like to start off with fruits with high water content, meaning that they juice really easy, they have a high water content. So what I like to start off with is apples. I mean, I start off with a base of apples. And make sure, guys, that your hands are clean when you start juicing. Make sure that your fruits and vegetables are thoroughly washed. Please thoroughly wash your fruits and vegetables. They have whatever that word is, the general whatever, soap that you can use, Dr. Bronner's. It's very healthy for the environment. It washes your fruits and vegetables great. Or you can do a good cleanse, just filling up a sink of cold water and soaking your fruits and vegetables in there. You know what I mean? So guys, I'm putting in an apple. I cut an apple in half. We're gonna put that in right here. What I also like to do is, I usually like to throw in, we'll throw in an orange too. Now with your citrus fruits, a lot of the times, depending on the juicer you have, they're gonna tell you to peel your citrus fruits. Now, with this juicer, I use small tangerines and then I use smaller lemons, so I don't really need to peel it. The process is fine, the taste is fine. There are certain sources of information I would tell you that the skin of the fruits can irritate your digestive system. I have been juicing again for the past over half a year. It's been fine, so I don't necessarily peel my oranges, lemons, things like that, but it is encouraged. If you have a different juicer, please research your juicer. You may need to peel them. You know, it doesn't hurt to peel them. I just cut them up. They're small anyway, so I just cut them up and I go ahead and I just do it that way. But side note, you can't peel those. Sometimes they'll tell you to peel them, so there you go. And I'm gonna do another half of the orange on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the food pusher on top because the food's gonna fly out if you just cut it on. So I wanna make sure the food pusher is firm, ready to go. And I'm gonna turn on the juicer. Smells great too, by the way. It smells like a mixture of apples and oranges. So as you guys see, all the excess that the juicer doesn't need has went into my little compost area. And then the juice is extracted here into this little cup on the other side, which I'll show you later once I'm done. So once I kind of get the juice content going, I keep going, honestly, I keep going. So what I like to start off next with is celery. I like celery. Celery has a high water content. Celery is great. Also, guys, apples and oranges. Apples are really, really good. Now, apples have a high nutritional content and value, all right? Apples are extremely alkaline, and they're really great for your digestive system. They kind of keep you going. Also, guys, if you are the kind of person who likes to peel your apples, you can peel apples, like the skin of apples, kind of like this apple right here, you can peel the skin. If you peel the skin of apples, you can actually boil the apple with peel and make a tea out of it, which is really great for your kidneys. So if you guys have kidney problems, if you know anyone in your family who has kidney problems, I also implore you guys, of course, research this yourself, but you can boil apple peels and make a really nice tea out of it. And with that tea, that will help. It's really, really beneficial for your kidneys. All right, guys, so apples are very beneficial. They have 50% more vitamin A than oranges. The peels are great for your kidneys if you have kidney problems, and they're just really good for, they're alkaline. They just help purify your blood, your body, and also they help with your digestive system, guys, all right? And also, the oranges that I use, oranges, of course, obviously, they're a great source of vitamin C. People always know that. They're great for your immune system. They help boost your immune system. They are also great for your digestive system as well. So oranges have a great digestive value, gastrointestinal system, really great for that. And it's also really high in vitamin C. Now, celery, that's what I was just gonna get into. Celery is amazing. Now, I don't like the taste of celery necessarily, like just to eat. People sometimes dip it in peanut butter, eat it. I can't do that. But juiced celery is okay. I can definitely drink that. Celery is pretty alkaline. Celery definitely helps purify the blood. Celery helps purify the blood. So I know people have they may suffer from different ailments with the blood, you know, whichever, anything like that. Celery is very purifying, okay? Celery is good for the blood. Has a high water content, so a juice is extremely easy. And you can honestly add celery into any juice you make. Celery is just really, really beneficial. So what I do is, I always want to make sure the celery fits in the processor on top. So see how it kind of sticks out like that? I don't really like that. So what I do is, I just do a little crunch, boom, just like that. Boom, and you got a little, you can just toss them just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do that again with these 2 celery sticks. We're gonna just do a crunch and tear. And you can just go ahead and pack those in there. What I also like to add to my celery, which I'll show you in a minute, is some ginger. But you know what? I'm gonna hold off on the ginger real quick. We're gonna go ahead and juice the celery. So let's see, this one's a little sticking up. Double crunch it. There you go. There we go. So I got the celery in here again, guys. Celery is very alkaline. Is a blood purifier. It's really, really good for purifying your blood. Has a high water content. It's just overall, it goes great with any juice, guys. All right. So we're gonna turn it on. So we just juiced the celery. We got a good amount of juice in here now. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the kale. So we're gonna start off with some kale. Kale I grew from my garden, excuse me. So kale is great, guys. Kale has a good amount of protein. A cup of kale has about 5 grams of protein. Kale is a great vegetable, very leafy green. Now, a side note to juicing, guys, also a way you can save money. A lot of times you definitely want to buy fruits and vegetables that are in season, okay? Mainly because they're fresher. For instance, watermelon is definitely in season in the summer. You got to kind of Google and research which fruits and vegetables are in season, whether it be spring, summer, fall, winter. But you picking fruits and vegetables that are in season from your grocery store would be very beneficial to you because these fruits and vegetables are fresher. They're made, you know, they're just fresher. Meaning that they're planted in season, they're fresher, and they have a really high nutritional content value, versus fruits and vegetables that have been out longer and, you know, aren't in season. So this is kale. So we're gonna start with kale, guys. Now kale really blooms in fall or December, but you can grow kale year round. Why I like kale is because you can grow it in the winter. It grows great in the winter. It grows great in the summer. It's the summer right now, and I'm growing kale, and it grows great. I grew a mixture of kale. See, I kind of have different colored kale, things like that. But this is kale I grew from my garden. This is 100% organic kale, no pesticides. I grew it from seed. I tended to it. I clipped the leaves. I took care of this kale. So this kale is straight from my garden. I harvested this kale straight from my garden. I love this kale, man. I ain't gonna lie. I love gardening. It's very therapeutic. I feel very in touch with my food and my wellness based just by juicing things that I grow. So this kale is straight from my garden. Kale has a lot of iron, vitamin A. Kale has protein. It's a good protein source. Things like that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and put this kale into this juicer on top. I got a lot of kale, y'all. I love kale. I love kale. I'm just gonna juice it. I love it. You know, the thing with fruits is that fruits have natural sugars, but you still don't want to go too crazy on the sugar. So you want to make sure that you're balancing your vegetable to fruit ratio in your juice. Don't make it, you know, a lot of people want things sweet, so they put a bunch of fruits, vegetables, you know, a tad bit of greens, but sometimes, just like with any sugar, even processed sugar, is way worse than your natural sugar, but still, you don't want to overindulge in your sugar intake. You want to be, you know, mindful of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna juice my first batch of kale, put the food pusher on top, and we're gonna turn it on. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and process this kale, guys. You know, I like to juice a good amount because when you juice it, if you just juice a few leaves, only a little bit of juice is gonna come. I need my nutritional content in. Like I said, this is for medicinal purposes. I juice for medicinal purposes, so I definitely need my juicer. But this is my kale grown out of my garden. You know what I mean? This is self-sustainability right here. Juicing what I grow. You know what I mean? So it's love. Boom. All right. So we're gonna do this little last batch of kale. I mean, look how amazing my kale look. I gotta flex for a moment. Let me flex. Look how amazing my kale look. Look at that, man. That's just different colors. I got the dirty Sprite kale. I got the greenery. What you need, I got it. You know. And I didn't even plan that. They just grew different colors. Ain't that a blessing? So here we go. Put it in my last bit of kale. I like to put my leafy greens kind of in the middle of my juice. I don't like to start off with it. I don't want to put it on the top. I like them in the middle. I do, of course, shake up my juice pretty well once I juice it, but still, I like to kind of start off with fruits and vegetables with high water content, throw them in as a base, and then kind of throw in my leaves and stuff in the middle of the juice. So it's our last batch of kale. Okay, so from there, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw some carrots in the mix. So we're gonna throw some carrots in the mix. Now, everyone knows the value of carrots, right? Carrots have a lot of vitamin A. Carrots are good. Carrots are good for vitamin A. They are great for your eyesight. If you have family members who have glaucoma, who have problems with their eyesight, cataract issues, man, get them on that carrot juice. You can just juice straight carrots if you like, or you can just, you know, include a lot of carrots in your juice. Also, what I'm gonna throw in with the carrots is ginger root. Now, ginger root is phenomenal for your digestive system. Anytime my stomach hurts, drink some of this. I juice it with some maybe lemon, a little bit of apple. It goes away. I love ginger root. Now, normally in the juice, you'll probably do about a thumb of it, about that much. I do a little bit more because number one, ginger helps boost your immune system. It's good for your digestive system. It's amazing. And also number two, I like the taste of it, so I'll put a little more. Plus, I juice a little bit more than 1 cup every day because I take it with me on my day. So when I juice, I'll drink my 1 cup starting off, and then I have juice left over to drink maybe in a couple hours or for lunch. I kind of need a little boost. I'll drink some more juice later. So this is ginger. We're gonna go ahead and toss that in with the carrots, and just to give it, you know, just throw in some. We got lemon, already cleaned, already washed. We're gonna put that on top. Get a nice little lemony boom in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the food pusher on top. Boom, let's get it started. All right, so be good. And got the carrots, celery, kale, ginger root, and by the way, this juice is smelling great. I can't wait to drink this. It smells phenomenal. All right, so next up, what we got is blueberries. Now, you know, blueberries are good for the brain. It's good for brain function, you know what I mean? So I like to incorporate blueberries in my cleanse because not only does it clean your, you know, the other fruits and vegetables clean your blood, keep your digestive system going, keeps it cleaned out. Blueberries are just good for brain function. And you know, my brain go on every day, 24 hours. Even when I'm asleep, your subconscious is working. So you always want to make sure your brain's getting the nutrients just like the other parts of your body. So I'll go ahead and toss in a cup of blueberries. What I like to do with that is I add a little sprinkle of ground turmeric in my juice. Now, turmeric is really good. It's anti-inflammatory. It's good for joints, stuff like that. Elbows, joints, kind of keeps you going. You know, keep your knees young. You gotta get your knees going, you gotta bend, you know. So I always add in a little sprinkle of turmeric. And that's why I like the juice, because you can just add in nutrients as you go, and you know, it just tastes wonderful. So from there, we got the blueberries, the turmeric. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw in these oranges on top. You know what I mean? Because we're about to be done anyway. Also, I'm gonna throw in that apple. I'm gonna throw in this last apple as well because we're about to be done. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this off and get this juice flowing. Make sure the food pusher's in properly in place and let's go. So, as you can see, we got our everything we don't need in here. We got our juice in here. Let me go ahead and give y'all a closer look. This is our finished product. Y'all can see it. It's the juice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it in this cup because this is the cup I actually usually store it in. Put the top on. That's all the access of everything we didn't need. You can see the, you know what I mean? The levels is dope. The little compost pile. Make sure everything's secure. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. All right. And what you want to do is, you want to pour that on up. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Got that. Looking good, looking good. Get that up close. Yeah. All right. All right, y'all. So we got the finishing touches. My morning cleanse juice. I have to kind of get outside and experience the sun a little bit. You know what I mean? Get my skin pop and all that. So let's go ahead, guys. Toast up. See how it tastes. Phenomenal. That's great. So that's my morning juice cleanse tutorial, guys. Definitely subscribe and like to my channel if any information I shared with you today resonated with you in any way, shape, or form. Please hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like my channel. I appreciate it. Again, I'm a startup YouTube. I'm just out here, guys, trying to spread the message of wellness, self-sustainability, knowledge, and love across the planet and across the platform, guys. All right, you already know what it is. So it's your girl Angel. I'm good for the day. I got my juice. I'm powered. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to go fly off. All right, y'all. Y'all stay blessed.